Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to install Java on the new Apple M1. Apple M1 is the first ARM based system on a chip, and let me show you what I'm working on. So, I'm working on the new M1, which is 2020, and let's begin. First, we will go to the terminal and let's try to see if we have Java already installed in this system. Well, as you can see, there's no Java in this system, so I'll be running it first time. The way we do it is we're going to go to oracle.com. Let me, there you go. Once you're here on the page, you would be going to the SE development kit, which is the JDK. You have to scroll down and look for Mac installer. You can go for the JDK 15.0.2 DMG. And for the sake of time, I've already downloaded it for my computer. Let's go ahead and install the package. Well, the software installation is pretty much standard. So as you can see, the installation is complete. And we will move this to bin, go back. I'm going to try running the same command again. And it looks like now we have the Java runtime environment. Also, the JDK has been installed on the system. What we'll do is we'll see if the basic program works. I've written a hello world program right over here, and I've saved it on the desktop. To run the program, we would simply go with Java C, hello world. Now you see, as soon as I made the Java C, you can see the new class that has been formed. That means that the Java file or the program that we wrote has compiled. The next time you just have to write Java and hello world should give you the output console. Well, this is all we have today, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching.